Welcome to PharmaGen DRX. Are you looking for a new job for a long time, but your resume is not selected by the recruiters? What is the reason behind this? Do you know 75% resumes are rejected by the ATS before reaching to the recruiting managers? Today I will discuss about how to make ATS friendly resume. Don't skip the video. This can change your life. And follow and subscribe PharmaGen DRX for daily new job updates and interview preparation updates. In today's episode of PharmaGen DRX interview preparation, we will know about how to write an ATS friendly resume. So before starting that, I will know what is ATS. ATS is an applicant tracking system. This is a type of software that collects, scans and ranks resumes on how closely they match a set of criteria and keywords. Recruiters are using ATS software to select candidates' resume. So if any HR or recruiters are taking candidates for medical scribe job profile, so they will give some keywords in the ATS related to the medical scribe. And when you are preparing your resume, that should contain that keywords and some things. Now I'm going for which things will be there in your resume. So how to make ATS friendly resume? And first point is that use a simple and clear format. Your resume format will be simple and clear. There you should check this point should be there. Keep your resume to within 1 to 2 pages. Use standard headings. Avoid using fancy graphics, tables, text boxes and columns. Check spelling, grammar and punctuation, and save your resume in PDF or docx file with proper name. So use a simple and clear format, and you should check this will be in your format. And the next point is that choose ATS friendly font. Your resume font should be professional, and you can use Calibri, Times New Roman, Arial. This type of font you can use that, and obviously the font size should be within 10 to 12. That should be, you should check that font size should be within 10 to 12. And the next point is using relevant keywords, and this is the very much important when any job will be posted and when you will submit your resume in the software, ATS software, then the recruiters will fix some keywords, and in your resume that keywords should be there. So before applying for job, it is very necessary to know details about the job role and details of job, and you need to put that keywords into your resume. When ATS will search resume as per the keywords of the job description, there are the high chance to get selected. If any recruiter is taking application for the pharmacovigilance job profile, so in your resume there should be mentioned that you have already completed some pharmacovigilance course, or you already work for the pharmacovigilance profile. These keywords should be there. Then there are the higher chances to getting selected of your resume. And for the students, I have given some website for making ATS friendly resume. These are the website. Please you should go there and you can make the resume at ATS friendly from these websites. Thank you. Follow and subscribe PharmaGen DRX to get daily new pharma life science job updates and interview preparation. Thank you.